This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Brandon Sales. Charming 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom mobile home situated on just over an acre of land in the heart of Lenoir City. This property features an open floor plan, offering a spacious and inviting layout perfect for modern living. Additional highlights include a garage for parking or storage and a barn with endless possibilities for hobbies, equipment, or livestock. Conveniently located close to all amenities, including shopping, dining, and schools, this property offers the perfect blend of space, comfort, and accessibility. Don't miss out on this rare find. For more information, review the details below or contact Brandon Sales at 865-693-1111.